Welcome back on the channel, guys. VST Venus Tech, and yes, it finally arrived. This in my hands should be the best phone. Alright, I'm not sure, but one thing is for sure, this is the most expensive phone for myself. I paid almost 1,500 euro, 1,400 euro even above to get the, alright, that's the Oppo Find X6 Pro, guys. So I really can hardly wait to see what is in the package, guys. What I'm gonna do in this video is gonna be unboxing and also my first impression. And of course, I'm going to slide in the S23 Ultra, which is the king of the Android phones, for a hands-on comparison. So let's start first with getting the phone out. Whew. I bought this from Trading Zensen, guys, so with my own money. Yeah, of course, they care to send me an adapter because this phone right now is China only. And they sent me also this very cool pen. Okay, and it does also work. Thank you so much, guys. Last time when I bought the Xiaomi 13, I got some Christmas socks. And here, guys, the Oppo Find X6 Pro. Oppo Hasselblad. Alright, it's a huge box, by the way, so wow, please open carefully. Alright, never been opened, by the way, so it's absolutely brand new. I'm going to very carefully then dismantle all of this, guys, and try to open it. Alright, we can probably already start with some of the comparisons, guys. Just take a look at this beast. Alright, yeah, I mean, okay, I think we know why, but it was just cool to show this. Alright, now let's just try to open it. I just hope that they send me the correct version. I went for the full beast with the maximum specs, guys, so I should have the 16 gigabytes of RAM and also, of course, this very nice, like, vegan leather color. Wow, alright. Oh, wow, it smells like an Oppo. Ah, okay, cool. Contains also soy oil. Thank you so much. Let me get this out of the box and unboxing the Oppo Find X6 Pro, guys. I was really waiting so much to get this. Probably one of the best displays, guys. LTPO3 AMOLED. It has 1 billion colors, should do 120 Hz, Dolby Vision, HDR10, and guys, pay attention. Peak nit brightness should be 2500 nits, something really unseen, of course, with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And I got a huge 512G inside with 16 gigs of RAM, UFS 4.0, so this should be a killer phone. But that was not the reason, guys, for me to get this phone. One of the main reasons was to really get my hands finally on something that has a 1-inch main camera, and this phone is all about the cameras, so I'm gonna go to this at some point. All right, let me just remove that one. Okay, yeah, what do we have here in this box? Wow, we have a very nice case, I can tell you already. Whoo, wow, the experience. Oppo Find X6, something in Chinese that I cannot understand, but Oppo Care and some other things in Chinese that I cannot understand. But then we have some nice booklets here. Interesting if you have something in English, by the way. No, of course, here we have the pin ejector, and this would be also like a hell of a case. Jesus. OMG, this really smells fantastic. This looks also fantastic, guys. Yeah, I mean, they are really sending you a case with the phone. Not a lot of brands are doing so. Okay. Oh, wow. That's a heavy phone, guys. I will, of course, have to wait. It should be something around 216, 220 grams, but it already feels like something huge. And there should be more, actually. Okay, Oppo. This huge charging brick should do 100 watts, guys, when you use the word charging. This is really insane, and also 50 watts wireless. So I guess they also put the special Oppo cable here. All right, it's a cable. Okay, yep, huge cable, Oppo cable, all approved. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm going to put everything aside that we don't really need. Okay, so just focus on the very much important thing, which is the phone itself. Yeah, guys, if you're here the first time and you like content like this, you might as well want to sub for my channel. And now for the first time on my channel, guys, I will carefully extract this magnificent product, which is the Oppo Find X6 Pro, guys. Wow. My hands are shaky. Oh my God. Take a look at this beauty. Take a look at this beauty. Hasselblad, powered by Mari Silicon. Wow, Fox leather. Man, and I can tell you guys, the case is so good. It really looks like the original product. Of course, without the inscription. And guys, because I already got the best version, this is the only X6 Pro version that we'll have here. And on this inscription on the ring, and also the very famous Hasselblad dot. Wow, and it's a heavy phone, by the way, guys. It's really a heavy phone. Let's try to put it on scale. 220 grams exactly as advertised, so it is indeed a heavy phone, but still lighter than my Galaxy S23 Ultra without the case. So I do believe we have some good news here, guys. The Oppo apparently is lighter than the S23 Ultra. Let's start with the exterior design, guys. We can already see that the Oppo Find X6 Pro is already narrower than the S23 Ultra, but it does still have a 6.82 inches of a display, guys. Also, the PPI density is a bit higher here, 510 versus 500 on the S22 Ultra. And of course, you get the fancy things like the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and of course, also all the fancy resolution. But first thing first, guys, let's just have a look at the top. The Find X6 Pro, guys, here has a speaker, what appears to be, and also a microphone, and what I think is an IR blaster, which is very, very nice. On the right hand side, it has a power button, guys, and appreciate this level of detail, guys. They have here, right, something greeny on the power button, which is also kind of 3D, which is very, very nice. This is the port for the antenna. On the back, guys, we have, of course, the USB-C charging port, another speaker, some microphones, and also the SIM tray slot. It pretty much looks equal to what we have on the Galaxy. And on the left side, guys, they have the volume rocker. I do like the fact that they have two distinctive buttons, and they're also placed here on the left-hand side, not like on the S23 Ultra, where everything is placed on the right-hand side. So pretty much you have to do everything with his fingers. Now, in the Oppo case, guys, you have this very nice power button on the right, and then you can easily manipulate the volume here. But okay, let's appreciate one more time the design on the back, guys, which is really, really just crazy. And right now I know Xiaomi 13 Ultra is causing a lot of waves, and people are really hyped about this, but yeah, I just believe that the X6 Pro will be a serious tough competition. And let's appreciate this look, guys. This looks weird. Ideally, I'm not a big fan of bulges like this, guys. I really like the S23 Ultra, but you know, I can not even compare this. Like, this is not comparable. This is like totally different design, and it really mimics a lens of a photo camera. Like, if you watch YouTube videos like I do, all the reviewers are saying, yeah, no, we wish that we have the option to turn this around, blah, blah. But in fact, this looks really stunning. And inside, guys, we have this very powerful camera, like 3 main cameras, guys. The cameras on this thing here are really so powerful that some of the phones out there are using, let's say, the ultra wide or the telecamera as a main sensor. So there is no joke with the Oppo. And I can tell you guys, when I'm touching it, it feels nice. I really like this dual tone design. This was also very fancy when some of the first pixels were launched. And I like the fact that the screen is still curved, guys. So let's just appreciate and try to compare the screen curvature. The S23 Ultra is almost flat. A lot of people like this. This is a deviation from the S22 design. And see the Oppo Find X6, guys. It still brings this curvature, which I like. It feels premium. And also, wow, do we have a pre-installed screen protector, guys? Yeah, it seems that we also have a pre-installed screen protector, guys. I'm really thrilled starting this phone, so let me power this for the first time. And yeah, see some of the specs. Wow, Oppo, here it is. Let me just remove the Galaxy for a moment. First boot, Oppo Find X6 Pro. Wow, this nice animation, Find X. I've used some fair share of Oppo devices, but wow, guys, the display really blowing my mind. I right now have a feeling that this really works with probably above 1000 nits. It's so bright. and I have to connect it to the charger. Appreciate this design, guys. Because of this curvature, it just feels like you're watching one big screen. In fact, I need to pump up a bit the brightness of the S23 Ultra to try to match it. And also, guys, something very, very nice. It feels like the bezels are smaller, right? Not here at the edges, but because of this curvature, guys, you are directly seeing more of the screen and less of the bezels. And that's not the case with the S23 Ultra. Let me show you guys. If you look close at the S23 Ultra, you'll notice these bezels, which I'm not a big fan of. This is not the case with the Oppo. Let's try to compare the bottom bezel. Probably about the same, though I think that the S23 Ultra bezel is a bit thicker. So guys, the bezels here at the edges, I believe, are thicker, and the same story with the bezels above. But okay, let's just try to see what else we have here. I can tell you guys, this display is so bright, it really burns my eyes. I cannot really wait. And oh, understand. It's set to auto brightness, but then yet somehow it was really pumped to the maximum. Okay, now if I just turn the auto brightness on, it will normalize. So let's just see, guys. This is really out of the box, directly from China. The device name is the Find X6 Pro. 512 gigabytes of storage, guys. It comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 5000 mAh of a battery, 16 gigabytes of RAM with the option to use a RAM expansion and pump it up to yeah, something really unbelievable. Very, very important, guys. The Mari silicon chip we have. This is also mentioned here. So this is, let's say, Oppo AI chip that really will help with processing ultra night videos, ultra HDR videos, enhancing other camera applications. So the Mari silicon is also very, very essential on what camera is related. The cameras, guys, front camera 32 megapixel, co-developed with Hasselblad. We get all the Hasselblad color science, cinematic storytelling, refining of the photos, all of these things, of course, I need to test. But what is amazing is, guys, as you can just see, we have 3 rear cameras. All of those 3 rear cameras, guys, are 50 megapixel, right? And the main camera has the whooping 1-inch sensor, which is absolutely amazing. And the other 2 cameras, guys, are so good. I can tell you, some of the other phones are using those cameras as main cameras. It comes with Android 13, which is good. And of course, on top of this, we have the Color OS, which I will need to do a proper testing. This is a China version only, guys, so of course you're gonna get a lot of Chinese applications such as the app market on this, so I will still have to install Google services and test it. By the way, very interesting, guys, there is also the application DRM info to give you the information of the wideband CDM support. L1 support is here, which is actually great. This means that you should be able to stream things like Netflix and whatsoever. And of course, guys, the main thing here is gonna be this really, really amazing camera. So I can hardly wait and bring this outside and do some of the testing. Wow, they have so many options, guys. But you know what, guys? I'm gonna snap my very first Oppo Find X6 Pro version. Wow! Wow, and this thing is fast, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, shutter speed, man, killing Samsung. Let's do, wow, the macro photo. Jesus Christ, this can really go, oh my, you know, this can go so close that it touches the sensor of the camera. 3x optical zoom. Wow. Oh my god, see how it works. And then, guys, we have 6x optical zoom. Wow. Okay, let's just take a look at the pics, guys. Grouping photos by people. All right, agree and continue. 6x, not so impressed, right? But still very nice. 3x kind of looking, wow. You see that natural bokeh, by the way? Jesus, amazing. Amazing, I can tell you, guys. Oh, and I snapped so many pictures. Okay, I really can't wait to test this beautiful, beautiful camera. Let me continue with the setup. Appreciate this screen. This is really, really magnificent. And I need to connect it now to the charger because I believe it's gonna die. I'm really happy with what I see right now. I'm really happy. Let's also try to test the cases. This is a first impression video, guys. I mean, phone case, absolutely the same. How does this work? You put it there. Bam, wow, okay. I have a feeling I never actually put a case on this, really. And it doesn't really protect it so much here. At the end, guys, but it's good. I like it. There is a grip, and now with the case we have a bit of protection around the edges, which is not that bad, and it's really a huge phone, guys. I can tell you. I mean, coming from the S23 Ultra, this one now with the case is really becoming like a monster phone. But you know what, guys? Let's do a bit more in this video. I've connected this super duper cable to the super duper charger, guys, and I want to see what you're gonna get on the screen. Wow. Super VOOC 100 watt. I mean, I'm speechless. You can pretty much see what is happening, but this is pumping electricity like unseen before. 100 watts. It's really, yeah, it's very good, guys. I'm going to figure out how to install Google services on this phone. Right, I'm gonna charge it. I'm gonna take it now as my main driver together with my S23 Ultra. So expect some camera reviews, photography reviews, video reviews, and all kind of reviews, battery reviews. Also, I'm gonna battle it up against the S23 Ultra and see which phone is gonna do things better, like gaming. Why not also 8K recording? No, that was a joke because the Oppo doesn't really have 8K, but okay, I'm gonna test the performance and everything else you want me to. If you have some nice ideas, you know where to put them down. And if you like videos like these, guys, don't hesitate, sub for the channel. With that said, VST over, and